Hello, my name is Danuta and I eat many salads. I know it seems crazy, but I love the salads and I love to make my own dressings. Why my own dressings? Why not just go to the store and buy ready to eat? Okay, my salad dressings are made from organic, clean, nutritious ingredients. And that's what I would like to share with you today. Let's start with the ingredients. You will need water, olive oil, lemon juice, nutritional yeast, dulce sea vegetables, garlic, sea salt. Let's put all the ingredients now to the blender. The salad dressing is for 2 to 3 servings. We'll start with the water. Cup of water. Then we add the juice from half lemon. Nutritional yeast. We'll use garlic or chopping to make the life easier of my blender. And I like to add dulce. Scissors, cut it into pieces. If you don't have a dulce, you can use sea salt. So you can go ahead and add sea salt. Then olive oil. Quarter of the cup. There you go. We are ready to blend. We're done blending. Now it's ready to be poured over the salad. Okay. Okay, let's try. So good. So good, so tasty, so healthy. Try it at home. Give me a feedback. Remember, this is healthy, clean, nutritious salad dressing. Stay tuned for more. Now we're gonna put all the ingredients and blend them together.